social studies in the textbook 1 and open a page number 4. Clear? In this, what we have? First lesson, solar system. What we have the first chapter is solar system. What is solar system? Yes, the solar system is nothing but the collection of planets. What? The collection of planets. What is solar system? Solar system is nothing but collection of planets. How many planets we have? We have 8 planets. How many planets we have? We have 8 planets. Which are those? Yes. First one, Mercury. Second one, Venus. Third one, Earth. Fourth one, Mars. Fifth one, Jupiter. Sixth one, Saturn. Seventh one, Venus. And eighth one, last but not the least, which is Neptune. Clear? Yes. What is solar system? Solar system is nothing but collection of planets. How many planets we have in the universe? We have 8 planets. Which are those? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus and Neptune. Clear? Yes. Now everybody open a page number 5. Open a page number 5. In this page number, we'll see the universe and the galaxies. Before that, what is galaxies? Galaxy is nothing but the collection of stars, gas and dust bounded is known as galaxy. What is galaxy? Galaxy is a collection of stars, gas and dust bounded is known as galaxy. Now we'll see there are billions of galaxies in the universe. How many galaxies we have in the universe? Billions of galaxies. In that, some are very small with only a few million stars. In that some galaxies are very small with a few millions stars. But in some of in that other sum of galaxies are many. Many is nothing but more than the 400 billions of stars or even more, right? This is nothing but in galaxies we have billions of galaxies in the university. In that few galaxies are very small with the few millions of stars. In rest other galaxies are more than the 4 billions of stars. Okay, now we'll see how many kinds of galaxies. There are 3 kinds of galaxies. Which are those? Spiral shape of galaxy, elliptical galaxy, irregular galaxy. The only difference between them is their shape. Okay. The 3 galaxies will look the same, but only it changes its shapes. Okay. Next, how many types of galaxies we have? 3 types. Which are those? Spiral shape of galaxy, elliptical shape of galaxy and irregular shape of galaxies. Yes. See what I told the meaning of galaxy. All the galaxies are the collection of star and gas and dust bounded together by gravity is nothing but galaxy. Most of the galaxies are clumped together in the small groups. Most of the galaxies it is clumped or it is together in the way of small groups, and our own galaxy is called as the Milky Way galaxy. What is Milky Way galaxy? The Milky Way galaxy is nothing but which will lives in the spiral shape of galaxy that contains several 100 billion stars. Okay, including our sun. What is Milky Way galaxy? It will lives in spiral shape of galaxy as well as that will contains several 100 billions of stars including our sun. It lies within a group of galaxies or called local group. What is local group? It lies within a group of galaxies. So it is called as local groups. Where do the spiral comes from? Like grapes of a ponds and the spiral arms seen in the Milky Way galaxy. By circling waves, the waves causes new stars to form. They are like star farmer planting a star seeds wherever they go. It is nothing but in the spiral shape of galaxy, the Milky Way will go and it will always be in the form of circling in the way of waves, as well as it always causes a new stars in which form? It always be in the form of like planting a star seeds. Why it will be planted star seeds? To create a new stars. So it will always plant the star seeds in the spiral shape of galaxy to create a stars. Clear? Now what all we go through know? What is solar system? Solar system is nothing but the collection of planets. How many planets we have? 8 planets. Which all those? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus and Neptune. Then what all go through know? What is galaxy? Galaxy is the collection of stars, gas and dust bounded together by gravity is known as galaxy. And in galaxy, how many types we have? 3 types. Which all those? Spiral, elliptical and irregular. Yes, and what all we got through know in this? The billion galaxies. We have a billions galaxies in the university. Some are very small. That very small means nothing but few million stars is available in that. Rest of the galaxies in universe, it might be contains 400 billions of stars. Not only 400 billions, it contains even more. Okay, and next we got through know what is Milky Way. Where that Milky Way will be? Milky Way will be in the spiral shape of galaxy, as well as it will also contains a several 100 billion stars. Then what the Milky Way will do? As well as the Milky Way will circling in the form of way and it causes a new star. How it will cause? It will cause by planting the star seeds. Clear? Yes. Next, open a page number 6. Got through? No. Open a page number 6. Can see. Our that universe, first what we have? Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Varnas and Neptune. This will be your homework. What you have to do? Same picture you have to apply here. You should draw and color it. As well as you should write the numbers of planets in the solar system. How many planets we have in our solar system? 8. This will be your homework. Anyway, thank you students.